What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're taking the Ecotrick 500 and I just got these bags and we're going to go pick up some groceries. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a vet to the channel, welcome back. Glad you're back. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. If you are, hit the like button, click that subscribe button and the bell, give you a notification every time I post a new video. Kind of a cloudy day today, but that's okay. Because let's do a review, I guess. A real world 320 miles review of the bike. It's an Ecotrick 500 watt rear hub motor electric bike. Top speed is about 25 real world miles an hour. That's with it unlocked. You just go into the menu and unlock it. The range is about 25 to 30 miles, depending on what level of assist you have on and how hard of a rider you are and your weight. But generally I get about 25, 30 miles per battery, and I have two. The bike cost around $800 to $900 depending on where you get it. I know you can get them cheaper, but sometimes those aren't the greatest bikes and they usually have defects. Those are really cheap, but the general cost is about $800 to $900. So when I got this, I looked at bikes from the build your own kits to the best bikes that are out there, and I don't know, I found this option to be the best. You know, it's middle of the road, it's a 500 watt sub $1,000 bike, and that's about what I was looking for. So yeah, I've had the bike for about 300 miles. No real issues with the bike mechanically, except for I went off a curb and it knocked the wire loose in the controller. So all I did was just pop the cap off and re-splice the wire back, and it's been good ever since. And I had one flat tire at 200 miles because I didn't have the proper tire pressure. Just remember, as a bike, you have every right to be on the road as any car or anybody else. You just have to be respectful. I think that helps. But after buying this bike in a month, I spent $0 on gas, $0 on insurance, $0 on tickets because they can't pull me over. I've gotten exercise. You know, I get to get out and see the city, be part of the city more, I think. So, you know, to me, there's a lot of personal benefits because I ride it all the time, and I basically replaced my vehicles with this. Look at that sun, man, that's crazy. World. I always think it's funny when I see people's face rolling up on a bike to pick up groceries. Hey, I'm here to pick up for, I'm in spot number 2. So I got that, let's get this ready. You know what I have stuck in my head? That song, West Virginia. Awesome. Do I need to sign or anything like that? They're good. How you doing, man? You having a good day?
Yeah.
Pretty normal.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, sir. You have a good one, man. I appreciate it. All right, so we got our groceries. Can't even feel them. Let's get back to the house. Put these in the fridge. Cook up some burgers tonight. I'm excited. I'm excited. Man, look at this trash, man. What the fuck? Off we go. All right. Freedom. So I let my buddy Zeb ride this today on the ride earlier. I didn't tape it because we were just riding, having fun, but I should have, but you know, whatever. He loves it. Everybody who drives one of these bikes comes back with a smile on their like ear to ear every single time. It never fails. I might just cross over right here. Right here. We are riding to get groceries. If you're just tuning in, or if you're seeing this and you're not seeing the whole video, I have just went to the store, bought my groceries, and picked them up on the bike. And now headed back home. We like those. We like those. Cut over. So yeah, if you're looking to get into e-bikes, you're looking to get your first bike, you're looking to get something that's gonna, I mean, I don't know that it's gonna work, but it's worked for me. These are good bikes as far as I know. You know, they're not the most fancy bike or the most feature-packed bike, but they are amazing. They are amazing. Thank you. It's very nice when people do that. They get over so you can ride through. Respectful people, I love them. Alright. Take me home. Yeah, this guy knows what's up, man. He's got a Tesla that charges. So nice. That would be great. Brush is good. Yeah, they're still intact. Awesome. 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 Awesome sauce. Alright guys, so that's a 25-minute video. Hope you guys enjoyed riding with me to go get groceries. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. If you're in my area, hit me up. Let's go ride. I'm always down to ride with new people. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next Street Mobs video that we put out. Peace. Thank you for watching.